Now, for the last finishing touches, we're going to give them arms, which all snowmans needs. All right, Annabelle, you want to help Mommy with the other one? Uh-oh, one of his arms is longer than the other one. Oh no! Annabelle, say I love you, Olaf. Yeah, so this is our snowman. You guys can do the exact same thing at home with your kids. Okay, the fun part is building a snow castle, a playground filled up with snow, which is like a winter wonderland, and building the snowman. This is Lisa, and today we're going to start another episode of BTV Kids. And these are my little science kids. Say hello, Annabelle and Nicholas. Annabelle is 4 years and 5 months old. Nicholas is 2 years and 10 months old. And this is my little science kids. Nicholas, Mommy put on your cute little cap. Okay, to get started, today we're going to do a fun science project, and it's called, Do You Want to Make a Snowman? Do you remember the movie Frozen? Yeah, so today I'm going to teach you how to make fake snow. Alright, these are the ingredients that you need. First off, 5 bags of baking soda. One of these is about a cup. And then you need a clear glass so you can see really, really well. And then also, pretty much what you need is baking soda and conditioner. Any type of conditioner, as long as the substance comes out white. Okay, and these are the ingredients for the snowman. Basically, this is his scarf. The twigs are his arms, and these are his buttons. The carrot is his nose, and those 2 dots are his eyes. So let's get started, okay? Step number 1, I'm gonna pour in a huge bag of baking soda, and baby's gonna help Mommy, okay? Come help, pretty boy.
Okay.
Come help. Okay. Ta-da! Ooh, fun, right? So we squirt 5 drops of hair conditioner and see what happens. Okay, now we mix it with our hands. Okay, you can use one of these spoons, wooden spoons, or you can mix it with your hands. So let's mix it. We add it till it looks like a snow-like substance that actually sticks when you grab onto your hands. The snow sticks together. That's when your fake snow is ready and you can start building a snowman, okay? A fun fact about snow, the biggest snowflake that was found was actually in Montana, and it was founded in the year of 1887. It was also recorded in the World of Guinness Records, and it's 15 inches long and about 8 inches thick, okay? And it was founded in Montana on January the 28th, okay? Okay, after you mix it, you smash it together with your fingers. When your kids get a little bit older, they can also help you with this. Alright, I'm adding another bag of baking soda. Looks like it needs a little bit more. And a lot more conditioner. Okay, another fun fact about snow is that the color of snow is not actually white. It actually has no color and it's translucent. So it only looks white because the light that's reflected on the snow. This is something interesting for you to know.
Snow also has powers. Elsa has
Yeah, Elsa has
powers.
powers. Good job.
Use your hands to squeeze it together.
Mommy,
Use my hands to squeeze it together.
I'm a kind of lollipop. Can you make Elsa?
A snowflake has 6 different sizes.
Hexagon.
Is it called a hexagon? And snow actually has 6 different sizes, which is called a hexagon. And also, it's not true based off of the myth that people said that there's no 2 snowflakes that is alike. Well, there was a research that was founded by a research scholar in 1988 that they proved that there are 2 snowflakes that are identical. So that is just a myth. All right. So you can do this at home. This is a fun activity you can do with your kids at home. If you're not able to go somewhere that snows, you can also build snowmen with your kids at home. Okay, another fun fact about snow is that 80% of it is drinkable because it's mostly made out of water. Okay, so it's sticking together. Now we're gonna pour the snow on the plate. All right, so here's the fun part. This is a part where your kids can join in and help you make a snowman. So now you can see that the snow is hardened, or it looks like a snow-like substance, and now we can build a snowman through it. So first you pour out the snow on this platter. It can be white or black, and this is going to be the base. Okay. So after you're done, okay, Mommy's going to flatten it first, okay? Hold on, we flatten it, then we make a snowman out of it, okay? And these are the ingredients for the snowman, like I said earlier. Okay, Mommy put these away. Okay, let's add in some decorations first. Here, the car goes here. And then Elsa, which is she is the queen of Arendelle. She's going to be sitting here while Mommy make a snowman, okay? Alright, so first off, let's make
now with Anna.
You want to find Anna? Let me find a round shape for the snowman's head. Okay, you guys make something on the side if you like, okay? Okay, you play with that.
Mommy, what is this?
Pretty girl, you play.
A carrot? What is this?
Pretty girl. Do you like carrots?
Yeah, carrot.
That's for the snowman's nose. So this one's like this.
You can do it now.
Alright, everyone. The snowman is built. There's 3 layers. Alright, first off, we're going to add in his nose. Here he goes. Okay, that's his giant nose that looks like Pinocchio. And we're going to add in his eyes. Okay, now we're going to give him buttons, which is these. Okay, one goes on his chest. Another one, let's see where it goes, okay? It goes right here.
It's a Pinocchio.
Now, wait, hold on. Do you want to give him a mouth? A mouth for a snowman? Okay, now the last finishing touches, we're going to give him arms, which all snowmans needs. Okay. All right, Annabelle, you want to help Mommy with the other one? Okay, this one's too short.
She'll break it.
Uh-oh. One of his arms is longer than the other one. Oh no. What are we going to do? Annabelle, say I love you, Olaf.
I love you.
Yeah, so this is our snowman. You guys can do the exact same thing at home with your kids. Okay, the fun part is building a snow castle, a playground filled up with snow, which is like a winter wonderland, and building the snowman. Okay, kids, let's say see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.